Today we have another appealing challenge. What we have to do is to return a list, but in a reverse order. Here we are. Let's start with our naive method. What we can do is the following. We can create an empty list. Reverse list is an empty list. And now we can access all the values in the list for integer in the range. We are going to access them in a reversed order. So we start with the last value and then we print them out backwards. So we have to start with the last index. That would be the length of the list. That is 4, but the actual index is not 4 but 3. So we should subtract 1 from that. So again, this is the start of the iteration. That would be the last index. And the stop will be 0. And the last argument will be the step. We are going backwards, so the step will be -1. Colon, let's print out the values of the list. So the list, and then we should access the values, the integers. There we have 296, 296, but the 3 is not printed out. Well, let's change the stop from 0 to -1. We apparently need an extra iteration, and there we have it. 2963. And in this order, we should append them to the reverse list. Reverse underscore L dot append. There we have it. And let's return the reverse list now. That looks terrific. Let's test it out. There we go. But as I explained, this is more like the naive method. If you want to keep it simple, you can use a built-in method like reverse. The only thing that you have to do is to use the reverse method on the object that you want to reverse, like this. And then you can immediately return the list. Let's test it. Well, we need an indentation, of course. How could I forget? And there we go. I hope this has been useful and hope to see you in the next video. Ciao.